Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Days Gone game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can automatically complete QuickTime events on the Days Gone game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Days Gone on your device. And after you are taken into the main menu, you can continue playing from wherever you last left off from the continue menu. When you pause the game, you can go into options. And now from the options menu, make sure that you are within accessibility. Here you will find various different settings, including the autocomplete QTE option, which in short means QuickTime events. If you set this to on, then whenever you enter a QuickTime event, you will not need to press the buttons that are shown within the screen, and it will always complete. This can be helpful if you're trying to speedrun the game, or if QuickTime events are slowing you down. After choosing your desired setting, you can just go back and your changes will be saved. After this, you can play your game by automatically completing your QuickTime events. And if you wish to change this at any point of time, follow the same steps by going into accessibility settings and then changing the autocomplete key to the top. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to autocomplete QuickTime events on the Days Gone game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.